Adjust the seat to the lowest position. And move to the back position. Use T45 socket to remove 4 bolts. Before removing the seat, we need to unplug the cable of the seat. Use plastic pry tool to remove the side panel and the fixed buckle of the trim cover. Then take off the trim cover. There's another buckle needs to be removed. Then you can see the power connect cable. Unplug the power connector. Sort out the cable. Unplug the safety belt buckle. Now you can take off the seat. Use T20 spanner to take off the screw of seat side panel. Then remove the side panel. Use flat blade screwdriver to unplug seat adjustment push button connector plug. Remove the seat leather buckle. Pull up the seat sponge. To remove the leather of the seat, we need to use the M8 socket to remove the screw that fixed the seat. After unscrew it, take off these 2 black plastic items. Use 6.5 mm drill to enlarge the screw hole. It can make the bracket more stable by enlarge the hole. After the drilling step, install these 2 items back to its original position. Then install the screw from the kit to fix the bracket. Put back the leather. Use M10 socket to fix the bracket part. Then install the footrest part. Use M13 socket to fix the footrest part to the bracket. Then we'll unplug the push-up plug of the car and connect it to the harness from the kit. Connect this brown plug to the footrest bracket motor. Connect back the seat adjustment push button connector plug. Use T20 spanner to fix the screw of side panel. Put the seat back to the car. Hide the cable back. Replug the power connector. Install every item back to its position. Then use T45 socket, install the 4 bolts back. Make sure everything is well and tight. Plug the safety seat belt back. The installation is now finished.